Okay, so today I'm teaching you how to make an epic Canadian Caesar. First, take your glass. Either line with a cut lime wedge or have some lime juice ready. Dip it in. Go to your celery salt and bring your glass. Next, I mix 2 ounces of vodka. You can do 3, 4, whatever suits you. And I like to make my Caesars very flavorful. So first I add some Tabasco or whatever hot sauce you might like. Next is some Worcestershire sauce. A bit of horseradish. And stir it all together. Add a little bit of lime at this point. Then you can go in with your ice cubes. Then you add your Clamato juice. This might be hard to find in the United States, but someone is going to offer it. And this is the key ingredient, not tomato juice. And then fill up your glass, but make sure you leave room because you're gonna add different ingredients to pair with your Caesar. At this point, I also like to add a little bit of fresh pepper and a little bit of the celery salt into the drink as well. Mix that around. Next, you're going to add your toppings. And I also add a little bit of the pickle juice for extra flavor. Grab some. So here you can do beans, pickled asparagus, you can do pickles themselves, anything you want to add to your Caesar, and also some olives. Put it on there. Grab your lime. And voila! A Canadian Caesar. Cam, tell us, how's the Caesar?
Caesar's good. We're dealing with a blowout. So after a long day of fishing, a Caesar is well deserved. Half of our lunch is in here. We have olives and asparagus. Great lime content. The flavor is great, just enough bite. The flavor on top is hand mixed. It's incredible.
Thanks, Cam.
I would recommend it.